If you're craving for a delicious buko pie, hindi mo na kailangan mag-travel pa ng malayo para lang masatisfy ang cravings mo. It was my first time to try Chef P's Premium Buko Pie and talagang masarap. They currently have 2 flavors, the classic and the ube. Not bad na ang price for 350 per box. My personal favorite is this ube buko pie. It's creamy, not too sweet, and masarap talaga yung lasa. Chef P's Buko Pies are egg-free and very smooth ang pagkakagawa. Tingnan nyo, it's not messy to eat and hindi crumbly. This one naman is the classic flavor. Pag open pa lang, amoy na amoy yung cheese. Sakto lang yung dami ng cheese kaya hindi nakakaumay. Na-elevate niya talaga yung lasa ng buko pie. For me, the ratio of the crust, buko, cream, and cheese is just perfect. Ang yummy niya talaga. Pati kids ko, sobrang nagustuhan itong Chef P's Buko Pie. And my husband, who usually doesn't eat buko pie whenever I buy sa Tagaytay, nagustuhan niya to. I like enjoying this chilled, pero nagustuhan ko rin yung 20 seconds ima-microwave mo. Second day pa lang, isang slice na lang yung natira nitong ube. This is mine. If you have someone special na buko pie lover din, pwede ka rin mag-purchase ng gift box sa Chef P's. This nice packaging is 850 pesos. You can have it personalized pa and it comes with 2 premium buko pies of your choice. You can follow Chef P's account for more details about their products and for instructions on how to order so you can finally taste their premium buko pies. That's it. Enjoy!